Why learn checkmate patterns in chess? And let's get through it right quick with H1. First things first, you become a better attacker. So you become a better attacker. You become a better defender. So on my defensive players, you become a better defender. And then lastly, you become faster at finding mating nets. So you don't have to waste time on actually calculating all the moves, because you're just going to have it recur to you. You're going to be like, oh, snap, that's what you're supposed to do. And you're just going to do it without even calculating it because you already know the pattern. So let's go over it right quick. Better attacker. Since when you're attacking your opponent, you're going to find all these different strategies on like mating your opponent's king. And then a defender. So when you're defending, you're going to be like, oh, snap, they can do this mating net. So let me avoid this by playing this move, things of that nature. And you become faster at finding mating nets. So if you're playing blitz or bullet, if you have these checkmate patterns down pat, you don't have to think about a thing. It's just going to all be intuition. You're going to be running on muscle memory as you put these checkmate patterns in your head. And let's go over this puzzle right quick so that I can show you how it can be into your real life games. So we got this position right here, and it's black to move, and they have the best position. What is the best move that black can play? Well, in this position, we realized that we got our rook on d3, we got our bishop on f5, aiming at this h7, b1 diagonal, kind of x-raying this diagonal. And if it was white's move, then they would be happy to play the move king b1, because this is an awkward spot for this king to be at, especially constricted by this rook on d1 and this knight on d2. These pieces don't even matter, because after black does the powerful move, if you haven't found it yet, please pause it right now. Okay, so black played the move, rook captures on c3, check. After rook captures on c3, white is forced to capture this rook back with the b2 pawn. And after this rook was captured by the b2 pawn and this bishop kind of got the light that it deserved when the rook moved to c3, now this bishop on f8 sneaks in with bishop a3, checkmate, and it's attacking the king. The king cannot get out of check, because if it goes to c2 or b1, this light square bishop is like, I got you. And so these two bishops are putting in work, checkmating this king on c1, and this is why you should be careful castling on the queen side, because this can happen, and it does happen all the time. And this is called the bonus checkmate. I have a beginner playlist. Look at that so that you can know your mating nets and become a better chess player.